This is serious mazina.
Abahangwa by'obuhangwa okurwa Ministry y'ebyamizi, Police y'eby'obuhangwa, Ministry y'eby'obugiga bw'omwitaka na nema bashyira omwanya ogurikukorerwamu kampuni egi omu Rubahara kandi bashanga ngo hariyo ebishobere.
Complaining that they blast iron ore during the stones during the night, so they don't give them comfort when they are sleeping. Even when they are driving their cars, they drive recklessly, so they even reach the point of killing some people in this area.
Omu rukiiko rukozi rw'ahambuga nkuru za district ya Kabale Vaira Mugisha orukujunanizibwa kureebuza eby'obuhangwa omu Runema ayorekire kampani egihenzire engenderwaho yabahirwe kandi nibateeka kugikinga okusobwera ayetereze.
So as NEMA, we are going to write to them for a temporary closure until they put in place, they show that they are willing to comply with the conditions that were stipulated in the condition in the certificate that was issued to them.
Pit RDC wa Kabale Godfrey Nyakahuma ayorekire nti barikwija kushyikiriza okuragira ko kukinga omwanya ogu okusiba baratunge baraha erikoreka kurungi ekyakozirwe.
We want a letter making reference of our tour of that place, what the assessment you made, what you discovered that led to the temporary suspension of that area, pending for rectification of whatever areas we have identified for them to rectify.
So we are not interested in closing the facility, but we are interested in how best are they operating. Yes, we have the investors on ground because they promote to the economic growth. Yes. But how are they ensuring sustainable development? How are they protecting the health of the people?
Chairman wa district ya Kabale naona akanisa cyo kukinga kampuni egi erikutimba iron ore obwegumize ngo ebire ine mugasho aha batura na mnongo ko bahereze emirimo.
You've seen a big number of people working there. There are sons, there are people living here. And the investment is here. They are paying the scholarship for our students at the university. Some of you may not be knowing that. So we can't start today and say tomorrow you go, you stop.
It has taken us over 6 months putting that iron fines in that place.
The wetland.
Now the wetland. More than 6 months. I can't guarantee that in the next 2 days it will be done.
Okuchondozo kwakozirwe nikwereka ngo cyanga cya kigezi kirimo obutare bwinji munonga obutakabire kukozesibwa. Kampuni egi tuyeneje nano kushisha eby'obuhangwa kandi amizi g'omugyera gwa Kiruruma gutandikire kuhinduka ahabwa emirimo ya kampuni egi. Gashoka Job n'amanyo mu Kabale.